Okay, so for our ethical case, we did one over a dual relationship in a rural setting. This case involves Anna, a social worker, who was invited by her client Thomas to attend his public art exhibit as a friend. The invitation may be harmless, but it goes against the NASW Code of Ethics regarding dual relationships and professional boundaries. The case illustrates a conflict between supporting a client's emotional growth and following ethical standards in the NASW Code of Ethics.
Okay. The outline of the case. Small rural mental health agencies. Thomas receives grief counseling after the sudden death of his spouse. Anna provides therapeutic support, and Thomas is near the end of the therapy with noted progress. At the community event, Thomas invites Anna to attend his art exhibit as a friend to show appreciation for her support. Anna must consider the implications of attending the event on their personal relationship.
The most relevant is Standard 1.06 for the Summary of Research and Literature, which is the conflicts of interest, which addresses dual relationships. Anna's invitation to attend Thomas's art exhibit as a friend presents a potential dual relationship. Standard 1.03 Informed Consent emphasizes that services should only be provided within the context of a professional relationship and based on informed consent. According to Reamer, dual relationships are one of the most common boundary challenges in social work practice. In Frederick G. Reamer's article, Social Work Today, he discusses situations where social workers are struggling to keep their personal and professional lives separate. This is most prevalent in small towns or rural areas. Some dual relationships may be unavoidable. Social workers must carefully assess the risks of harm, exploitation, or impaired judgment before engaging in any dual role.
Grace, do you want to do the first part?
Okay. Um, so the problem with this one is that Anna is invited to Thomas's art exhibit as a friend, not a client. The dilemma is whether Anna attends the event to support her client or whether she maintains professional boundaries. The ethical principles in this case would be avoiding dual relationships, prioritizing the client's well-being while also maintaining professional boundaries, and informed consent while clarifying the nature of the relationship.
Some suggestions for success in this scenario is to inform decision making for Anna with the NASW Code of Ethics and just to like go off of that for her decisions. To not compromise her professional boundaries for the sake of maybe making Thomas uncomfortable, and also to express gratitude for the invitation while declining it. And she can offer an explanation to Thomas if he wants one.
Okay, in the reflection and the suggestions for improved resolutions. The dual relationship that could be created between Thomas and the invitation will violate the ERS as well as the EPS guidelines for ethical standards. Although the invite does have a good delivery, Anna must decline respectfully due to the previous commitments to her profession. Alternative approaches consist of acknowledging the importance of the invitation. This just means that um, the invitation was delivered in a positive way, and Thomas, as y'all mentioned, that he just wants to show his appreciation, and she should acknowledge that to support him and to let her know she is thankful. And the delivery to Thomas must be clear and presented with respect and consideration. To the this part is just saying, like, once Anna declines the invitation um due to the code of ethics, she should just approach the situation with respect and consider how Thomas put thought into this and thought of her, and yeah. And then the explanation of why Anna must decline while showing interest in other ways she can support him and connect within his progress. And finally, um, this part just means that Anna would um, give an alternative thank you for the invitation to Thomas just because she declined, but she still is appreciative of the invite. And yeah.
Okay.